Welcome to Amazing Tools channel. In this video I am going to show you 10 best house tools you must see. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.
Add the Craftsman 1 tool and compressor combo kit to your workshop arsenal. The 6-gallon compressor is made in the USA with global materials and features a high-performance motor and an oil-free pump for long life and no maintenance. It's designed with dual couplers and runs at a high PSI, offering the performance you need. Plus, its lightweight construction and cord wrap make transportation and storage a breeze. The 18-gauge brad nailer can drive up to 2-inch brad nails and includes a hose so you can get started right away. With this Craftsman tool and compressor combo kit, you'll be ready to tackle your next project. Craftsman, we build pride.
Number 4.
Cyber threats are on the rise. Last year, ransomware attacks that locked victims out of their files rose 172%. A single attack can now be large enough to reach 1 million homes before it's stopped. Only protecting your PCs and laptops may not be enough to keep your network safe. In a recent attack, 30 million smart home devices were targeted because they lacked security. TP-Link Home Care protects every device connected to your home network from more than 1 billion cyber threats. And Home Care updates automatically as new threats are discovered. Don't leave the safety of your data, devices, and family up to chance. Get Home Care and get protected.
Number 5. Number 6. Number 7.
Life moves fast, so no matter where you are, Amazon Key has got you covered. With all new in-garage delivery, monitoring, and remote access via the Amazon Key app. You can rest easy knowing that both your packages and your home are safe and secure. Prime members with MyQ-compatible garage door openers can opt into getting Amazon packages delivered right inside their garage. Amazon will authorize the delivery and securely open your garage door. You'll get a notification once your package is delivered and your garage is closed.
Number 8. Number 9.
Handle any home improvement project with the Rack Universal Socket Tool. We use 54 super strong steel rods that are individually spring actuated, allowing the socket to automatically conform to any shape instantly. Jump from hex nuts to square nuts, screw eyes, bolt heads, and even damaged heads without ever changing the socket. The included 3/8 inch adapter turns any power drill instantly into a power socket driver. Tighten or loosen fasteners in seconds and get the job done faster. And our 2-piece kit replaces a whole socket set, so it's travel friendly. Keep on the go in the car, toolbox, or bike kit. Get the job done faster with the Rack Universal Socket Tool.
Number 10. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.